In this video, I'm going to show you how to use drip status in Skool. Let's get started. The first thing that you want to know is that drip allows you to lock and gradually unlock pages or lessons for members over time. This means that they are based on how many days they've been in your community. Essentially, when you enable drip for a page, you set the number of days after joining until it becomes available to that member. So in order for us to do that, you want to go and make sure that you have logged in into your Skool account and head on over to the top bar and go to Classroom. Under Classroom, click on the course that you have. And I have here two examples. One is a folder with a page and one is just a page. It's good practice to actually have a folder with a page just so that you will stay organized. Now, you want to click on the page and then you will see the three dots in here. Click on this one. And then you could add the drip status. Let's say we want to turn it on and release the page one day after members join. As you can see here, this is a folder with a page inside it. You can't actually add a drip to a folder, but what you can do is under the folder, there's a page and you can add a drip status on it. Let's do this 2 days after members join. And as you can see, this will be available after 2 days. This will be available after a day. And that's about it. That's how to use drip status in Skool. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.